Probably my favorite truck here. Somebody forgot to put his oil cap back on this morning.
Nah, she's out there now.
Oh my god.
Jesus. We'll have Jonathan clean it.
Oh yeah.
Our detail man.
Our detailer. Josh finally showed up 3 hours later. Making our stuff look dirty. Beaters. So this is what it's like to be Brandon 24 valve. We somehow convinced Hunter Howard to roll down with us to Myrtle Beach. Oh my god.
Hey!
What?
We thought fuel was cheap at our house.
Oh yeah, freaking.
This was the fuck 99 gallons.
Damn. I fill up every day.
We're taking some home with us.
Oh, Loki. Then fill up the bed.
5-gallon buckets.
Headed south to clean all the bugs off of the windshields from the past 3 states. Quad. How was that?
Right here, this is the Brandon 24V Special.
Hey, that looks like brake fluid.
Looks like Gabe can't install fucking brakes.
Huh, I wonder why. That's weird. It's almost like somebody installed the brakes upside down.
Go back to
That's a good way to treat your brand new paint.
That's a work truck. You know, the Lambo, I never do that to the Lambo.
Yeah, don't do it to the Lambo, but
Maybe
this,
maybe the fucking R8. But
yeah, the McLaren, yeah, fuck that thing.
my
But
Rover truck.
we're somewhere in the mountains. Brandon's truck is foggy. Windy roads are crazy. I'm tired. Time to go to the hotel. Looks like a freaking horror movie. Holy shit, is that the Brandon 24 valve? Hunter was the guy. And now, we're the guy, like collectively, like Hunter, me, Brandon back there. Oh look, here he comes. He's hiding.
1, 2, 3. The guy.
It's my twin.
That's not a guitar. I know. I took one that had a bent rim off this side. A bent rim? Put it up there and beat it out a little bit for a spare. Put that one in a new tire on there.
That's Hunter Howard truck?
Fucking ready to unload drive.
You know you're getting close when you start seeing these all over the place. Toot it up. We were driving and Brandon just like veers off into the freaking parking lot and I was like, what the heck? And he just he's like, oh, there's a trailer. Yeah, that's it? I bet. Load the trucks up. You're pulling up to Myrtle Beach. Pretty good. I just wish my truck was here. Mission failed. They didn't have a 44 footer. Yeah. Clean it.
Hey, you don't even need to come on that video. I got it. Ready?
Baddest. Danny's got superpowers. Baddest. Danny's got superpowers.
What you think, Brandon?
Clockwork.
Or there's got to be more than one guy here that just put a 12 valve in the truck.
checking if it was leaking for air.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're missed.
Should be good. I think you're right.
It's good. I think we're good.
Hey, Brandon, what's all these dents?
Like my new 5th gen?
Oh, yeah. Look at Brandon's new 5th gen, guys. These are like the craziest set of 30s I've ever seen. This man is wider than my truck with no spacers. How does that work? I need me an any level lift truck. Lacey Blair's paint be popping. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. This thing looks insane in person. This thing's nasty.
Ignorant.
That's probably my favorite truck here. Autosport Tyler's old truck. .28 by 18s and 44s. Massive. Dually on 4G. 5th gen. Those are like the biggest 26s I've ever seen. They look fat. And Chris Lavish.
Someone else hold the beer while we're ready. They'll know. I don't remember. They shipped the wrong thing.
Now get down.
That don't look so easy.
Soldier boy, tell me. I got the new.
This is like the coolest powder I've ever seen. That's sick.
Hold up. Tell me what.
5th gen. SMG. Hey, they make our golf cart look kind of tiny. Oh my God. Sheesh. That thing is massive. 28s, 42s, sword shocks. They go up and down about this much. This thing is wild. He doesn't have the rock lights on right now, but he's got like 80 some rock lights. Maybe we'll catch him at night when he leaves. The thing's massive. We saw this roll in last night. Color's pretty cool. Powder. Boggers. Who doesn't love boggers? Massive. I don't know. This one or that one? Which one, Kaylee?
Which one?
This one? Or that one? Oh, definitely the red one. Alright, red one's winning so far. Is that a donk? That is a donk. Very donkey. That's terrible. I like it. It's clean. Oh, look at that sun. Hold up. Ready? Look at the cinematics. Womp, 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 womp. It's a little smudge, but you get the point. Panning shots. Panning? I don't know. I didn't go to school. Kaylee wants to do a wrap, but a breast cancer symbol. It's kind of like this one.
Just like here and there.
Yeah,
Have it
like
be
breast cancers.
Shapes and breast cancer shapes.
Yeah, the ribbons. Oh, we could do it like this to the wheels too. I didn't even notice these wheels. These wheels are sick. What you think?
Where is your truck?
It's not here. They even got semis here. Holy cow. My grandpa would be freaking out. Peterbilt. Peterbilt. I want one so bad. Can I have one? Yeah. They got a Kenworth too.
Kenworth.
Yeah, but we like Peterbilts. Oh, hi. I thought it was a dog, but it was a truck. Nasty. It's Cody's truck. What's up, buddy? Thing looks pretty dirty. It's like a big black version of mine.
Are you gonna come down and let me take pictures of the truck?
Yeah. Come up, actually.
Alright, I'm gonna come to Custom Austin.
Yeah, I'll bet.
And then in the back of the face is
So we're gonna make a wrap like this, but pink, and with the stripes in the back.
and probably, I think that's supposed to be kind of tire marks. I really like all that. Right?
Yeah, make that go away.
But
And then pink suspension, 16 inches, 24, 14,
I've
44s,
had a color picked out for like 2 years.
frosty pink. Let's do it.
I want to.
Hey, bye, see you later. That thing is nice, not gonna lie.
I need to find a wrap place that I'm not scared of letting touching my truck.
That is the problem. Battle of the Rams. We got that one, we got this one, and we got this
that
one. You like that one?
That one wins.
This one's a long bed, so this one's a boat. Sheesh. Yeah, I think
I
that's,
don't like the sticker on the.
yeah, Plan B sticker.
It's just too big.
I used to have a diamond right there, so
It wasn't that big.
I can relate. Yeah,
You can't see.
you're true. I like it. Plan B, Kelderman. I think a Plan B again. Yeah, Plan B. Big as hell, but this one's a gasser. Gold. Any level. Oh, this thing got ring lights. And then Omar. Oh my God. Funny story about this. This man hit the American Force booth pulling in here. Yeah, people, most people curb their wheels. Omar curbs his truck.
Omar curbs a booth.
Omar curbs a booth. I need those sword shocks. Nice.